Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to style your WooCommerce email messages that go out. So right here we're looking at the default template from WooCommerce. It's purple, it says powered by WooCommerce, it's missing our logo, it's not our right color scheme for our branding, and we want to update it. So step number 1, log into the backend of your website, go to the left hand side where it says WooCommerce and select settings. From settings you're going to go to the right and you're going to select emails. Now a couple things about this page. 1, on the email page you can see what type of emails are actually live, so everything that has a check is live. 2, you can see who's getting these emails, so right now they're all going to me. You can also select manage, and from the manage page you could add more emails if you like. So, next up, the email sender. So this is a default website, so we want to say Treehouse 51 team. It will be the name that people see. From email address will be from Kirk. If you want a header image, you can add the image right here. If you want to remove the classic powered by WooCommerce right here, you would just do so right here. So I want to say powered by Treehouse 51. And all you have to do is just replace the content that's there. If you want to change the color scheme, so WooCommerce is purple, you can go ahead and you can just go on in here and you can select the color you want. So our color scheme should be blue. And then if you want to add any other color effects, you can do so here in this field. When done, select Save Changes. And to preview this, all you have to do is scroll down and select Click here to preview your email template. And as you can see, the template has changed colors. Now let's say you wanted to add a logo here. To do so, all you have to do is go over to the left-hand side where it says Media and Add New, upload your logo file. So we'll go ahead and we'll go to our library. And let's pretend this is our logo file. From the logo file, just copy this URL. Go back to WooCommerce settings, emails, scroll to the bottom, and where the header image is, all you have to do is paste in the URL. Now if we save changes and select click here to preview, we should see that image in the email template. So there you go. This image obviously is huge because it's not optimized for this, but it's there. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like below. And if you have any ideas on next videos, do leave us a comment. We do read all of your guys' comments and we do try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks guys.